What we've got here today is a Bosch 36 volt Bulldog rotary hammer. It's an 1.1" SDS Plus. Comes with a 4.0 lithium ion battery, it's telling me, with cool pack design. And it says the battery has a fuel cell gauge. And you can take a look, open it up. Right here we've got SDS Plus, vibration control, and kickback control. So we've got the hammer without the battery attached to it. Looks like the handle's already on it for me. I can twist that off and it moves pretty easily. Comes with a charger for the battery. In these brown boxes, I'll assume this is the battery itself. Open that, take a look. Yep. And there are individually in these brown boxes, the 36 volt 4 amp lithium ion battery. The red here is supposed to be the cool pack design. Let me try and slide this on here. I guess this is the fuel gauge that was on the box. Looks like it might be out of power. It does have some juice left. 36 volt Bulldog Bosch. This is the functions on it. That's the, looks like the drill only mode. That's our hammer function. And that's our chipping function. Looks like that throws it in reverse, it looks like. And that could come right off if I don't want it. Discard that. Keep it clean. I've got my owner's manual in here. Everything I need to keep the tool running properly. Cage finder. Oh, when I turn it on, when I drill it, it's got a light so I can see what I'm doing if I'm in a darker area. Gives me some visibility. I also noticed when I'm playing with my new rotary hammer here, it's got some vibration control in here. So if I'm chipping, I guess, it's gonna let me work a little bit longer and not too much fatigue. That's what that's in there for. I noticed this switch right in here. I could toggle from 70% to 100%. Let's see what it does at 70%. Sounds like it ramps its way up from 70% up to 100. So that's pretty good for if I want to keep accurate when I'm drilling. And it all fits in there nice. And it comes in this great carrying case. And there it is, my 1.1" Bosch rotary hammer, 36 volt cordless.